Okay, we're really cranking up the speed here. Let's go from A major to E major. All right? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. A major. Whichever A major form you are comfortable with is the one you go to. All right? Yeah. When playing with the first finger bar, we're going to try and mute that high B string. So when you strum through, you don't want, unless you want that chord, but most of the time, it's a thud right there. By loop. When I really want to hear that high E string ring out, then I opt for this voicing. That one.